Finally, on the 6th day of the winter session of Parliament, we've been seeing some business, some productive discussions and debates. Now, while the India bloc wanted a number of issues to be brought up, the government conceded, which is why you're seeing today business happening. But it looks like within the India bloc itself, there are differences over what should be their biggest priority. We had reported this here on India Today yesterday. But today it was confirmed when there were protests that took place outside Parliament on the issue of Adani. Now, the Congress led that protest and several of their allies in the India bloc joined in. But the SP, the Trinamool Congress, very much in Parliament today, chose not to be a part of that particular protest, indicating clearly that within the India bloc, the SP and TMC don't necessarily agree with the Congress's strategy.
The absence of two parties speaks volumes of exactly what's taking place in the India bloc today. The Samajwadi Party and Trinamool Congress conspicuous in their boycott of the protest. Their MPs were very much in Parliament but chose not to be in the protest that had Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi in attendance.
You can see the leaders of opposition, including Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, Vadra, Sanjay Singh, Manoj Jha, and various other opposition political parties have joined this protest. They are also holding a placard which reads Modi Adani are same. You can see as to how the opposition is now raising the issue of Adani, and the DMK has also joined this massive protest.
The differences, therefore, are clear. Allies of the Congress don't agree with the Adani narrative and want other issues to be discussed on priority in Parliament.
देखिए फिलहाल हमारे जो पार्टी का नज़रिया है उस हिसाब से हमें लगता है कि संभल से ज्वलंत मुद्दा भी कोई नहीं है और हिंसा हुई है, लोगों की जानें गई हैं, तो हमारी प्रायोरिटी संभल है। हम चाहते हैं कि चर्चा सबसे पहले संभल पे हो, हम सरकार से प्रेशर करें, उनकी जवाब दें।
Interestingly, the Congress seems to have climbed down from its Adani stance, saying now that they want other issues to be discussed too.
It was an opportunity, I think, to send a clear message that now we are about to cooperate in Parliament, where, of course, the government sets the agenda and they're the ones who decide as to what issues are going to be discussed. But as far as this is concerned, there's a whole range of issues we want to convey to the public what are uppermost in the minds of the people. It's being simplified as a one-issue protest. It wasn't.
But today as well, the House saw repeated disruptions with Adani slogans being raised. Sample this: when Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman stood to speak, the opposition MPs kicked off their sloganeering.
1934, the Banking Regulation Act 1949.
The government has lashed out at the Congress, accusing the party of resorting to disruptive politics despite an understanding.
देखिए, पार्लियामेंट में जैसा मेंबर्स का बिहेवियर है वो सब देश देखता है और पार्लियामेंट का बहुत तरीके होते हैं चलाने का, रूल्स, रेगुलेशंस, कन्वेंशंस, कई चीज़ें होते हैं जिसको पालन करना होता है। अगर पार्लियामेंट नहीं चलेगा तो देश कैसे चलेगा?
The differences in the India bloc are widening, particularly it seems between the Congress and the Trinamool. A rather public war of words is also playing out over who should lead the India bloc now.
जितनी बार वह अपमान करने के लिए बंगाल का, वहां की अस्मिता का आते हैं, उतनी बार उनका और वोट बढ़ जाता है। और जो उनका कद है, एक बहुत ही वरिष्ठ नेत्री हैं, सामने स्पष्ट रूप से साफ बात को रखती हैं। ममता दीदी सबको साथ लेके चलने वालों में से हैं। वह पूरा समय देकर, तैयारी कर कर उसके बाद ही लोगों को बुलाती हैं।
हमारे देश में लोकतंत्र है, लोकतंत्र में संख्या देखी जाती है कि किसके पास संख्या किसकी है और फिर एक जिसको कहा जाता है कंसेंसस से फैसला होता है हमारे देश में और पूरा इंडिया गठबंधन तय करेगा कि कौन किसका नेतृत्व होना चाहिए।
Has this parliament session exposed the chinks in the opposition's armor? Will the Congress now put their Adani narrative on the back burner amidst pressure from its allies? Bureau Report, India Today.
Seemingly embarrassing for the Congress that the SP and the TMC are not holding back in not being a part of these kind of protests and thereby sending out a message that, look, we don't agree with this kind of an issue being raised. I want to bring in Maushmi Singh, who's joining us live with more details on this. Maushmi, is there a rethink within the Congress camp on their strategy in Parliament because of how the SP and TMC have reacted so far to the Adani issue being raised? They've gone ahead and raised the issues that they want instead.
See, clearly, Akshita, perhaps the ambit of agreement has been increased. And, earlier the Congress was harping on the Adani issue, making it its ace attack. But clearly, with the chorus being very low as far as the India alliance is concerned, there were other pressing issues that the opposition allies wanted to be discussed, including situation in Bangladesh, including the fact that Sambhal was on a very precarious note as far as law and order is concerned. And that's one reason that now we've seen that the parties have raised several other issues, including Sambhal in the upper house and the lower house, where Ram Gopal Yadav and Akhilesh Yadav were very sharp on their attack. And several notices, in fact, the highest 42 number of notices were seen in the Rajya Sabha that were not only on the Adani issue, but were also on Manipur, also on the crime situation in Delhi, and on the pollution issue. So there are a host of issues that the India allies, apart from the Congress, want to rake up.
All right. Thanks very much, Maushmi, for joining us with those details.